Hi, welcome to this short introduction to the UCD Change Management Toolkit. This Change Management Toolkit is for anyone who would like to learn more about how to apply a people-centered approach to planning or leading change in UCD. You may be a member of a working group considering bringing in a change. This may involve altering the way something is currently done, or it may be a completely new initiative. You might be part of a project team, tasked with implementing a change on a large scale. Or, as a people manager, you may be bringing in change to your team or unit. Whatever your context, this toolkit will provide you with a best practice approach to managing the people side of your planned change. The toolkit outlines the ProSci framework for change management. It takes you through the 3 phases of change management: prepare approach, manage change, and sustain outcomes, and explains how to use the ADKAR model to help place change management milestones into your overall project work plan. Guidance is given on how to design your change management roadmap, as well as how to plan your engagement, communication, training, and sustain activities. At the end of each section, you will find a summary of the key elements in each change management phase. There are links to templates throughout the toolkit, and these can be adapted to suit your own needs. You will also see signposts to where people and organization change can provide you with further guidance and support. You can access the toolkit via the People and Organization Change website and WorkVivo. You'll also find links to further support and training on the website. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the toolkit, you are welcome to contact us at peoplechange@ucd.ie.